Hi again everyone, Josie here from Live at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today I have a glam holiday winter decor. What I'm going to do is my own take on the holiday dress up mannequin Christmas tree, what do you want to call it, okay? So this is a finished project, and if you want to create this, you will need two of these waste baskets. These are the kind of like a chicken wire. You will need also two of this. Okay, so this is also one of my favorites. These are the stainless steel paper holders. And then you will need also some zip ties, some ornaments of your choice, silver ornaments, and these are the 16 pieces, the smaller ones, and also some silver holiday florals. I think these are like the mini poinsettias that you can get also at the Dollar Tree. Of course, you need a sharp pair of scissors, as well as my hot glue gun. So in the interest of time, I'm going to do a little bit of shortcut. I'm just going to show you how I will connect this two here. So one is going to be this, going to be on the top, and then one is at the bottom, and then you just kind of align them and then attach your zip ties, one on each side on the top here and one on each side at the bottom part here. Okay, so it's not going to be really tight. You can adjust the height on this one to your preference. So this is how it's going to look like. This is going to be my stand, a kind of like a one-legged stand because they're supposed to be mannequin. Let me lower it down a little bit. Now this one was in one of my projects. I did the glam lamp, and that's going to be my bottom. And I'm going to be linking it up here too on how I made this shade, and I covered it with the glam ribbons or the blings or diamond wrap that you can also get at the Dollar Tree. As a matter of fact, I have one here that I may need to use also for this project. So yeah, I have spare. I can skip a little bit because I've done this project already, kind of prepped it. I'm just going to link the original videos. So I'm going to make it as high as this. And a good thing again about zip is you can adjust it. This is going to be sitting, this waste basket upside down is sitting on the top of the stand. See that? Now if you want to, for stability, you can zip tie that as well. Okay, I will not zip tie it because I think it's stable enough, and we don't have small kids to bump over this, and I'm gonna place it to where there is not too much high traffic so that it will not get bumped into even by grown-ups. Now for the top, this is the top. And as you can see right now, it doesn't look like a mannequin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut here. This portion here will be a little shorter. I'm going to probably cut this portion here, and then I'm going to mold it a little bit. I'm going to create a shoulder and a torso, and that's going to be the body. And then that's what I'm going to decorate also. You know, this Dollar Tree pair of scissors is so tough. You don't really need a wire cutter at times because this one is tough enough. So I'm just gonna cut it to size. So maybe I'm not gonna cut too low. I think I just need this 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 rows, and then I'm gonna just manipulate it and kind of bend it. I'm gonna mold this into the torso of my mannequin. Okay, so this is gonna be kind of a little tricky. If you want to wear protective gloves, do so. So now I'm just going to kind of try to be a sculptor, and I just want to make sure that this seam here is at the back. Okay, so it's not front, so that if I'm going to expose some portion of my torso, it's not going to be that's not going to be at the front. See here? So I'm going to pinch it kind of like in the middle here. See, and then I'm gonna fold it like this, like so. See, so this is kind of like my cut arm of the mannequin, of the torso, and then this is the other side of it. Okay, now I'm not gonna put any zip ties for now. I'm probably gonna do it later if I need to, but I'm hoping that I don't really need to. So now let me just kind of connect this make sure that my connection is at the back, because again, this is the front where there are no seams. So the seam should be always kind of going or pointing towards the back. But I'm gonna bend so that it'll be the shoulders. Like so. If I have a darker background, you'll see it better. Okay, yeah. See that? I bent it this way, and this is the neck. Make sure that nothing is sticking out as far as the wire goes. See the arm or the shoulder, and then this is the neck. Okay, now if you want to make it a little bit more taller, the neck, go ahead and maybe add what I'm gonna do, because I did cut, I have some remaining ones. I'm probably gonna connect more so that the neck is a little taller. So just here in the middle. So I'm just gonna trim this. See how easy this is to trim. So I'm gonna trim enough materials, and then I'm gonna be using them. Okay. I'm going to be using this material here. Let's see. And just connect it here. Yeah, to make it kind of taller. And then kind of make a shape of a neck. Like so. And I'm going to double it with a few more. And of this. So since it's wire and it's not straight line, it's more diagonal, I can play around with it and bend it. Here we go. So this one here. See? Okay. I think that's it for the neck. See? That's my torso. And that's it for the neck. So that's how it's gonna go. That's the skirt, and this is the top. I already created the torso, and I'm just gonna go ahead and either, what you can do here is hot glue it together. What I'm gonna do is use zip ties. Is I'm gonna go ahead and connect them. That's it. Tighten it. I don't really, with the bigger zip ties, I don't really need to put anything on the side. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to give it a little bit of waist. Make it a little sexy, you know? Like so. You can see the neck now. I kind of used one tiny or small, thinner zip tie. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start to decorate. I'm using my Glam diamond wrap ribbon or bling ribbons, and I tied it around, covering the seams that connect the two baskets together. And then I am going to be adding some of my poinsettias to surround, so kind of like a belt, to embellish that area there, to kind of pretty it up and glamify it further. And then afterwards, I'm taking out and using my ornament bowls to make a necklace. That's how I'm going to do it. So I insert 1 and 2, and then I'm going to insert the third, and this is how I'm going to do it. Put a glop of glue, then insert it in one of the holes and wait till it dries or holds, like so. So it looks like a choker. And I'm gonna put this on top here. Just so you can see it better. Because I had zip tie there that I'm gonna cover a little bit. There you go. Next, I am adding my LED string or fairy lights You can get this at the Dollar Tree, but I still have leftovers from what I got from on For You, and this has 40 lights in each, and I like that the battery chamber is thin, not bulky, and it's easy to camouflage or hide. I will be adding in the description box below where you can get this at Amazon. Now I am embellishing the skirt portion, and I'm just adding a strip of ribbon here, which is perfect. It's just centered where the seams are when I created or covered this lampshade. And then I am creating a bow, which I'm going to place at the center, kind of like a belt. And then I'm going to be embellishing it with one of the small ornament balls, like so. Just trying to beautify it a little bit more. And then I'm going to be embellishing the bottom of the lower basket, my skirt, quote unquote, and putting the silver bowl. So I'm just alternating the styles, and there are 3 types of the silver bowls, and I'm just gonna put them all around to kind of add a little bit more glam there and to make it really look more festive. And then I am adding a second string light, and then I'm going to be camouflaging the battery chamber again at the back of this skirt. Then finally I'm going to be adding some more poinsettias at the bottom base just to embellish that a little bit. I mean, I could have left it alone, but I have leftover flowers, so I might as well embellish that portion as well. I have decided to add another strip above the flowers to kind of emphasize the waistline, and so that the proportion would look much better and not the torso longer than it should be. Now I am more satisfied with the look. I am readjusting the lights on the torso after I added a little bit of hot glue to keep the belt in place. So voila, that's how it looks like. I just want to show you how it looks like in the dark. Isn't it lovely? So stunning. And what I like about these LED lights that I used, the strings or wires are very thin, and you can hardly notice it, especially in this area here on the skirt. It really blends well with the blings and the silver and the rhinestones. I like also that the lights are soft white. I'm also going to make this in a farmhouse style, so if you are interested, make sure you have your notification on for my channel so that you will not miss when I upload that video or any new videos for that matter. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and as I mentioned, don't forget to click that notification bell so that you will not miss any of my new uploads. And feel free to comment down below, like and share, and hope you all are having a great day. Talk to you again in my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.